I want to show you a new tool I have been using. This is great for small items on circuit boards. What this is a hot air gun. You can set the temperature, set the airflow. Air comes out here. You have adjuster tips here for smaller objects. This is my sacrificial board for demonstration. What you would do, set your temperature, say 2, and this is quite low. I'll give you an example of how this works. 120, increase your air, and let's say you want to loosen up the solder. You work this chip here until the solder becomes loose. Then grab the chip with some tweezers, pull, and up the chip comes. You want to be careful, you don't want to get other objects around the chip too hot. You can use foil to keep other objects from getting too hot.